Miniature aircraft have long captured the imagination of aviation enthusiasts, blending cutting-edge engineering with compact designs that redefine the possibilities of flight. These ultralight planes, microjets, and personal helicopters are designed for everything from recreational flying to experimental aviation, proving that size doesn't limit performance. Despite their small frames, these aircraft push the boundaries of speed, agility, and efficiency, offering thrilling flying experiences. From innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing machines to historic microjets, this countdown features the 10 most fascinating miniature aircraft ever created. Get ready to explore the ingenuity and excitement of aviation in its most compact form. Number 10. Dyke Delta JD2. The Dyke Delta JD2 is a remarkable home-built aircraft known for its distinctive double delta wing design. First introduced in the 1960s by John Dyke, this four-seater monoplane is built with a steel tube frame and a combination of fiberglass and fabric skin, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight structure. Its foldable wings allow for easy towing and storage, making it highly practical for pilots with limited hangar space. With a cruise speed of 170 mph and a stall speed of 70 mph, the JD2 provides impressive performance while remaining fuel efficient. The retractable tricycle landing gear enhances aerodynamics, and its unique wing configuration contributes to stability at high speeds. For aviation enthusiasts who appreciate innovative design and home-built craftsmanship, the Dyke Delta JD2 is an exceptional aircraft that delivers both versatility and efficiency. Number 9. Kitty Hawk Flyer. The Kitty Hawk Flyer is an exciting FTOL aircraft designed for personal recreation and urban air mobility. Developed by Kitty Hawk, a company backed by Google co-founder Larry Page, the Flyer is a lightweight, open cockpit vehicle equipped with 10 electric propellers. Weighing under 250 pounds, it meets FAA Part 103 regulations, allowing pilots to fly without a license. The Flyer boasts a top speed of 20 mph and a flight duration of 15 to 20 minutes, making it ideal for short, low-altitude adventures over water. With intuitive joystick controls and distributed electric propulsion for enhanced safety, the Kitty Hawk Flyer represents a bold step toward the future of personal flight, offering a thrilling and accessible aviation experience. Number 8. Baker Supercat. The Baker Supercat is a charming, low-wing, ultralight aircraft that combines classic craftsmanship with modern flight capabilities. Constructed from all-wood materials, this aircraft features an open cockpit and removable wings for easy transport and storage. With a wingspan of 7 feet 4 inches and a length of 15 feet 8 inches, the Supercat is compact yet spacious enough for a comfortable flying experience. Powered by a Rotax 503 engine producing 50 horsepower, it achieves a cruise speed of and a stall speed of just 30 mph, making it both efficient and forgiving for pilots of all skill levels. The aircraft's lightweight design and smooth aerodynamics contribute to its excellent maneuverability, making it a delightful choice for recreational flying. Number 7. Starr Bumblebee 2. The Starr Bumblebee 2 holds the record as the world's smallest biplane, designed by Robert Starr to push the limits of aviation miniaturization. This tiny aircraft features a negative staggered wing configuration, welded steel tubing, and plywood construction, ensuring a balance between lightweight structure and durability. Powered by a Continental C85 engine, the Bumblebee 2 can reach a maximum speed of 190 mph with an impressive climb rate of 4,500 feet per minute. Its compact design makes it a unique spectacle in the aviation world, showcasing the possibilities of extreme miniaturization without sacrificing performance. The Bumblebee 2 is a testament to engineering creativity and the pursuit of aviation records. Number 6. AIR-1. The Air-1 is an innovative two-passenger eVTOL designed to revolutionize personal air travel. With a sleek, modern aesthetic, this fully electric aircraft achieves a cruise speed of 155 mph and a range of 110 miles, making it ideal for both urban and rural transportation. The AIR-1 features a unique dual control system, allowing both passengers to participate in flight operations. Powered by 8 stacked electric propellers, it offers a lightweight yet sturdy design with a total takeoff weight of 2,138 pounds. Its fixed wing configuration enhances aerodynamic efficiency, while the large canopy provides excellent visibility. Combining cutting-edge technology with practicality, the AIR-1 is poised to change the future of personal mobility. Number 5. FlyNow eCopters. The FlyNow eCopters represent a significant leap forward in urban air mobility, offering a one-passenger electric helicopter designed for sustainable and efficient transport. Built with a sleek carbon fiber composite fuselage, the FlyNow eCopters have a maximum takeoff weight of 360 kg and a payload capacity of 120 kg. Equipped with 4 electric motors powered by lithium-ion batteries, these helicopters achieve a cruise speed of 130 km and a flight time of up to 30 minutes. With autonomous flight capabilities and advanced safety features, the FlyNow eCopters are a promising step toward the future of air taxi services and personal aerial commuting. Number 4. Pivotal Helix. The Pivotal Helix is an advanced eVTOL aircraft designed for easy operation and high efficiency. This single-passenger aircraft features a fixed rotor tilt system and a fully enclosed cockpit for enhanced safety and aerodynamics. Controlled via a joystick and fly-by-wire system, the Helix reaches a cruise speed of 63 km/h and a range of over 20 miles. Weighing just 348 pounds, it can support a maximum payload of 220 pounds. With its efficient charging system and quiet operation, the Helix is an excellent choice for urban air mobility, offering a futuristic yet practical flying experience. Number 3. Colomban Cri-Cri. The Colomban Cri-Cri is the world's smallest twin-engine aircraft, designed by Michel Colomban for recreational flying. Built with an aluminum sheet structure glued to foam, this aircraft is incredibly lightweight and compact. With twin engines mounted close to the centerline, the Cri-Cri can be flown by pilots with single-engine qualifications. It achieves a maximum speed of 220 km/h and a range of 460 km, offering both aerobatic capabilities and practical usability. The Cri-Cri's unique design makes it a standout aircraft in the world of aviation. Number 2. BD-5J. The BD-5J is a microjet that gained fame for its sleek, fighter-like appearance and high-speed performance. Developed by Jim Bede, this tiny jet features a streamlined fuselage, retractable landing gear, and a V-tail configuration. With a maximum speed of 320 mph and a range of 300 miles, the BD-5J is one of the fastest microjets ever built. Despite challenges in engine reliability, the aircraft remains a beloved icon in aviation history, often seen in air shows and film appearances. Number 1. Micron helicopters. The Micron helicopters are revolutionary single-passenger ultralight helicopters designed for personal aviation. Weighing under 100 kilos and adhering to FAA Part 103 regulations, these helicopters are incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. Featuring a 2-blade main rotor system and a compact engine, Micron helicopters offer a unique flying experience with impressive agility and efficiency. Their simple design, coupled with low operating costs, makes them an exciting choice for pilots looking for a personal aerial vehicle. These miniature aircraft showcase the best of aviation innovation, proving that small size doesn't mean limited capability. Whether for recreation, transportation, or experimental flying, each of these aircraft embodies the thrill of flight in a compact and efficient package. Which of these mini aircraft fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below.